Mastering demonstratives. Using this with ease. Hello, English learners. Today, we are going to tackle an important topic in English grammar. We'll be diving deep into the use of a demonstrative determiner, specifically, this. This small word is a vital part of the language, and understanding how to use it can improve your English fluency. So, let's dive right in. This is a demonstrative determiner we use to indicate a specific person, thing, or idea close to us, or something happening in the present or near future. It is used with singular and uncountable nouns. Examples include phrases like, this book, this idea, or this time. Part A. Physical proximity. We often use this to indicate something that is physically close to us. For example, while holding a book in your hand, you would say, this book is interesting. Part B. Metaphorical proximity. This is also used for things that are not physically near but are metaphorically close in terms of ideas or experiences. For example, after explaining a complex concept, you might say, this idea is challenging. Part C. Temporal proximity. This can indicate a time close to the present or a period of time happening now. For example, I hope to finish this project by the end of this week. Let's go through some examples. This cat is cute. Physical proximity. I am busy this week. Temporal proximity. This is what I meant. Metaphorical proximity. Now, let's try some practice exercises. 1. Fill in the blanks with this, if applicable. A. Underscore 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 is my friend, John. B. Underscore 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 is a beautiful day. C. I am planning to visit my family underscore 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 month. D. Underscore 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 theory is quite controversial. 2. Correct the following sentences if needed. A. I really like this people. B. These is the house I grew up in. C. I can't believe this weather. And that's a wrap on using this. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep working on these exercises until using this becomes second nature. Thanks for joining today, and I hope this video has been helpful in your English language journey. See you in the next one.